Our BMW designers have not only focused on the style of your car's interior, but also ensured that frequently used controls are positioned conveniently for the driver. Above the rearview mirror, you'll find the emergency SOS call button and interior reading lights. Below the main central display are the hazard lights, together with the central locking controls to lock or unlock the car from the inside. The center console, angled towards the driver, houses a number of key functions, including the favorite buttons, which can be personalized to your most commonly used iDrive features. The volume of the entertainment system can be adjusted or muted, and radio stations or music tracks can be selected and skipped. By pressing the Mode button, you can toggle through the various entertainment sources, and radio traffic reports can be switched on or off at the touch of a button. For convenience, the climate and interior comfort controls are grouped together. The set temperature can be automatically maintained for you, or the intensity of airflow can be adjusted manually, together with the direction of the air distribution. The settings for the driver's side can be transferred to the passenger side using the sync mode. For maximum cooling in hot conditions, the active cooling mode can be selected. There are a number of air circulation modes available. The standard ambient setting draws in air from outside the vehicle. An AUC mode monitors for pollutants outside and automatically shuts them out if detected, whilst the maintained mode completely shuts off the exterior air supply and recirculates the existing air around the cabin. The interior temperature sensor is also located in this area of the center console.